loves, so welcome back again to my channel. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Adepa. Adepa is awesome and you're welcome to my work. Please go ahead and subscribe. Welcome to join the family. If you're returning, welcome back. Thanks for always supporting and thanks for always coming back. So today's video is very basic. I'm just going to be installing this finger waves wig with you guys, so let's jump right into the video. The products I'll be using to style this wig are these products, okay? Mousse, leave-in, and air cream. You can go in for any gel of your type. I just like to use the air cream because it's much easier and better. So obviously I'm going to take out my wig, and I got this wig from a vendor on Instagram. I've forgotten the name, but I'll check her out and then write her handle in the description bar, so do check it out. So this is how the wig comes. This is how it looks. It is not bad, but you obviously have to style it. So I am just going to take off my band. My hair looks very much in a mess, and then I'll go in to wear my cap. After that, I'll put on the wig, and it has a pattern, okay? So I'll push the pattern to my right side because it fits me better there. So I'll put it here and then try to adjust things to get my ear area. Adjust things here as well to get my ear area, and yeah, it's not bad, but this is not really what we want. So first off, I'm going to spray some leave-in on the hair. If you don't have an already made leave-in spray here, you can just add a little bit of any leave-in that you have, and then you add a little bit of water to it, keep it in a container and use it. Okay, it works. So now I'm going with this comb, rat tail comb, and basically comb all of it together. First, you want to comb all of them down. After combing it all down, I'll go in with my mousse. Now, time to do the waves. So I'm basically following the pattern that the wig came in, right? So that I don't mess up anything. So just going with the pattern that we came in, and basically just make your waves the way you want it to look like. So I'll be using both my hands and the comb. Make sure you are going in with the mousse as much as you can to get this laid, okay? For this way, there is no particular way of doing it. It's just you wearing it and trying to make it like fit your head, right? So now that the pattern we want is created, I'll just go in with mousse to make sure it is laid in that pattern, okay? going with my hair cream, just a little bit of it. I just want my sideburns to lie flat. Okay. I'm gonna grab a scarf and scarf this down, okay? Because we want it to lay down flat. So we are going to scarf this. Alright, so I waited for like 3 minutes and now I'm going to take the scarf off. Voila! You guys just see how laid and how flat everything looks. Alright, so I just went ahead to throw on some earrings to add up to the look, but this is basically how to style your finger waves hair. Let me show you the back. Okay, let me show you the back. Period. So this is basically how to style your finger waves. I hope it was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, honey. What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right now. Click on that notification bell as well so you get updates of everything that I post. Let's be friends on my social media platforms. Until I see my next video, you already know you need to stay awesome and stay safe. Bye guys.